In this section about the standard form is a little bit straightforward. Most probably the requirement is we give you center and radius, you write down the equation, or in reverse we give you the equation, you should able to find out what is center and radius. So part A, in order to find out the equation of circle, we have to draw properly a circle center at -1, 3. The center is here, and then the radius is 2. That means it won't beyond x-axis because the distance here is 3 while the radius is just 2. So it's approximately like this, with the radius 2 here. So to write down the equation of circle, we have delta x squared plus delta y squared equal to r squared. That's our logic. And then with a general point xy, the delta x is x minus 3. Delta y is y minus -1. Beware the sign. R here is 2, so 2 square here. To simplify, x minus 3 bracket square, and then minus -1 will become y plus 1 square, 4. So we already finished part A. Part B also simple, but I want you to do is you can draft the graph yourself. This is a very important skills when we handle circle together with straight line together in later section. And then in part another example, we give you equations. Then the key point is whether you can write x minus something, y minus something. X plus 7 square plus y square is equal to 9. The key point is whether you can write it in terms of x minus something square plus y minus something square equal to something square. So it's obvious that if we want to write x minus something without changing its value, then x need to minus -7, such that if we expand it, we get back the original item x plus 7. So if you ask me x plus 7 then mean x minus something is x minus bracket -7. Similar reason, I need to write y minus something. Y minus something equal to just y, that means -0. 9 is obvious 3 squared. So we can easily write down the center now. The center is -7 and 0. X minus that something is the x coordinate. Y minus that something is the y coordinate of center. We are comparing general point with -7, 0. So the radius is equal to 3. That's part A, and then we are going to finish part B. Again, in part B, we need to write down x minus something square plus y minus something square equal to something square. That's our target. But however, you find 2 here is totally do not fulfill our requirement. So we should both sides divide it by 2. Every term divided by 2. So we have x minus 5 bracket square plus y plus 1 bracket square equal to 4. It's not yet finished. X minus 5 bracket square is fine, but I need to write y minus something square, which is -1, equal to 4. 4 that means 2 square. So it's very obvious now. The center is x minus what? X minus 5. And y minus what? Y minus -1. The radius is equal to 2. So if they give you an equation of circle, then you can graph it. It should be 5, -1 approximate here. And then the radius is 2. That means across the x-axis is because the difference here is 1. However, the radius is 2. For any this type of question we call coordinate geometry. A very basic requirement is you need to draw, no matter it is asked or not. have an idea how does it look like, what is meaning, then you can improve within a very short time.